Okay, let's take a look at how EQUS works. We will look at a simple equation, a plus b times c in Excel. Let's try typing in some values, 1, 2, 3. We see the answer 7, but if you didn't know how the order that Excel calculates the result, you might be confused. You might think the answer was 9. 1 add 2 equals 3, times 3 equals 9. EQUS presents a panel to the user on the right hand, which shows how the result is worked out. And now it's clear that 2 and 3 are multiplied to get 6, and then 1 added to get 7. Now let's look at a more useful example. Imagine a young student is using Excel to help explore some mathematical problems. Suppose they're looking at a problem of a basketball being thrown into a hoop and how long it takes to get there. The equation which governs the result is this quadratic equation. It gives two results, but we're only concerned with the larger value for when the ball is dropping. The student puts in their values for A, B and C. B represents the velocity and C the height. So, for B equals 20 meters per second, we see the time calculate to 3 seconds, and EQUS shows the student all the steps in the calculation. Now, the student is interested in how they might optimize the travel time. To make it as small as possible, they might think they could do this by throwing it harder. So, they increase the speed to 28 meters per second. Here we see EQUS breaking down the calculation, but the result is 5 seconds. Somewhat counterintuitively, this makes it take longer. So, the student tries reducing the speed. They try 10 meters per second. Okay, but now Excel shows an error, num. What does that mean? Well, EQUS shows the calculation in breakdown, and in particular it shows that the square root in the problem is the issue, and that the values of A, B and C mean it's looking for the root of a negative number, which is impossible for real numbers. So there is no solution here, and in our model the ball is not thrown hard enough to reach the hoop. But the key point in this example is that EQUS helps the student, using Excel as an aid, to explore maths and problem solving.